Hello, welcome back to Marquis Soaps. Today we are making a soap scented in denim by Nature's Garden. So we're going to start the same way we always do. Mix together our oils, our butters, and our additives, and then we will add in our lye and make this soap today. We are going to have 3 separate colors. Blue Vibrance by Nurture Soap, Ballet Slippers by Mad Micas, and Yellow Mica by Brambleberry. I'm going to mix these from lightest to darkest. And now I'm just going to hand mix in the fragrance oil. Okay, so first we are going to put in all the blue, and I'm scraping out the bowl. Now I have a little bit of some gold mica mixed with oil. I'm just going to put a couple passes of this. And then we are going to put in about half of the pink. A little bit more of the gold mica. And do some yellow. A little bit more gold. We're going to do the rest of the yellow. Now I have a little bit of the gold left, so I'm just going to put it on top. I'm going to take the other side of my mini spatula and we're just going to swirl it up. And that's it. Spray it with some rubbing alcohol. And we'll be back in a couple days to see what it looks like on the inside. Welcome back, friends. It is time to cut into the soap. Let's see what the inside looks like. So you can tell it got a little thick. That's still the end bar. Let's keep going. It should get better. So far it's about the same. Pretty top though. So we are just gonna have to do the drop swirl of the mica again on one that doesn't set up on us really fast. So this soap, if you are interested, will be available in March. My March releases. I'm doing a little bit differently this month. I'm kind of staggering them throughout the month. So you'll have to, if you're interested, just stay tuned to my Etsy, not my Etsy. If this is something you're interested in, stay tuned to my Instagram, and I will have the official release day there. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.